Morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well at home. Okay, students. Now this is your study assembly time. In this study assembly time, we will revise our picture book. Okay, with all previous lessons. Okay. Now this book, picture book. Open it, students. Hurry up. Now, let's start from page number 3. Which page number? Page number 3. And our topic is vegetables. Our topic is vegetables. Now, look at the first picture. Which vegetable is this? This is a potato. This is a potato and its color is brown. And its color is brown. This is a onion. This is a onion and its color is red pink. This is a tomato. This is a tomato and its color is red. Yes, this is a brinjal. This is a brinjal and its color is purple. This is a ginger. This is a ginger and its color is brown. Now, this is a capsicum. This is a capsicum and its color is green. Now, this is a cabbage. This is a cabbage and its color is green. This is a peas. This is a peas and its color is green. And its color is green. Now, this is a carrot. This is a carrot and its color is red. And its color is red. Now, last one is, this is a lady finger. This is a lady finger and its color is green. Okay. Now, next page. Page number 4. Page number 4. And our topic is fruits. Okay. This is a apple. This is an apple and its color is red. This is a pear. This is a pear and its color is green. These are grapes. These are grapes and its color is green. This is a guava and its color is green. This is an orange and its color is orange. This is a mango and its color is yellow. Mango is also called the king of fruits. Okay. This is a papaya and its color is orange. This is a banana and its color is yellow. This is a strawberry. This is a strawberry and its color is red. This is a watermelon. This is a watermelon and its color is green. This is a peach and its color is red. Now, next topic is flowers. Next topic is flowers. This is a sunflower. This is a sunflower. This is a lily. This is a lily. This is a rose. This is a rose. This is a hibiscus. This is a hibiscus. This is a dahlia. This is tulip. This is a lotus. As you know, lotus is our national flower. Okay, mind it. This is a marigold. And last one is orchid. Last one is orchid. Now, we will do our next topic. 6. Our new chapter, new topic, birds. Which one? Bird. Bird means पक्षी. पक्षी क्या होते हैं? जो ऊपर एयर में या स्काई में उड़ते हैं. ओके, जो हमें स्काई में उड़ते हुए दिखाई देते हैं, that is called birds. Okay. Now, first one is, this is a duck. This is a duck. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. This is a eagle. This is a eagle. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. This is a sparrow. This is a sparrow. And this is a peacock. As you know, peacock is our national bird. याद है ना आप सबको? Peacock is our national bird. Next one. This is a cock. This is a cock. And this is a आउल, दिस इज अ आउल। आप सबको पता है सिर्फ आउल ही है जो कि रात को भी देख सकता है, और कोई बर्ड जिसको रात को दिखाई नहीं देता, सिर्फ आउल है जिसे रात को दिखाई देता है। ओके, एंड लास्ट वन इज क्रो, लास्ट वन इज क्रो। नाउ रीड अगेन, दिस इज अ डक, दिस इज अ डक, दिस इज अ pigeon, this is a pigeon, this is a eagle, this one is parrot, this is a sparrow, and this is our national bird, peacock, this is a cock, this is a owl, and this is a crow. Now answer these following questions. Which is our national bird? As I told you, peacock. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Second is, which bird is seen only at night? अभी आपको बताया ना मैंने कैसा कौन सा बर्ड है जो सिर्फ रात को देख सकता है, that is owl. कौन है? owl. And last one is, which bird do you like most? इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा बर्ड है जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, वो आपने यहाँ राइट करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ रीड ऑल दीज चैप्टर्स and learn it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.